Assalamu alaikum. So we are going to solve a question of O-level add maths today. The chapter involved is logarithms. So without any further ado, let's start solving. Okay, so the question says, write 1 plus LG x square minus 1 minus 2 LG x minus 1, where x is greater than 1, as a single logarithm to base 10. Give your answer in its simplest form. We just have to give the answer in its simplest form. So let's start. We can write this 1 plus LG x square minus 1 minus 2 LG x minus 1. Okay, so we can write 1 as LG 10, all right? Because log with the same base and power is equal to 1. Now let's incorporate this in this expression. LG 10 plus LG x square minus 1 minus 2 LG x minus 1. Now let's add these two. LG 10. Whenever two same bases are added, we multiply the powers. All right. 10 x square minus 1 minus 2 LG x minus 1 LG 10 x square minus 1 minus, this can be written as LG x minus 1 power 2 as per the rules of logarithm. Now we need to subtract it, and whenever we subtract this the same basis, we divide the powers. Let's do that. 10 x square minus 1 upon x minus 1 square. All right. Now notice that we can write this as x square minus 1 as a square minus b square, which is a plus b and a minus b, because 1 square and 1 are the same thing. Therefore, the identity a plus b, a minus b will be applied here. All right, x minus 1 square. Notice this and this cancels out. What left is 10 x plus 1 upon x minus 1. This is our answer. Look at part B of this question. Part B says, solve the equations. This giving you answers in the form a plus b under root c, where a, b, and c are constant. Okay, so let's just rewrite this first. 4 log 5 power x plus 1 is equal to 9 log x plus 1 power 5. Now notice that we want to make the base same in terms of log base 5. All right, so what we can do is we can apply change of base rules, and then we can write this as we'll interchange the base and write this as log 5 x plus 1. All right, now let's take an assumption. Let log 5 x plus 1 is equal to y. For y is equal to 9 upon y. For y square is equal to 9. And one thing, if you can solve this without this assumption, that would be great. But this just makes stuff a lot easier. and reduces chances of error. So I would always recommend this. Okay. So 4y square is equal to 9. Y square is equal to 9 upon 4. All right. Now, let's substitute this back because we are not looking for y, but we want to solve for log 5 x plus 1. Okay, so log 5 x plus 1, the whole thing square is equal to 9 upon 4. Okay, so we'll remove this power and apply under root here. Log 5 x plus 1 is equal to, that would give us plus minus 3 upon 2. Plus minus 3 upon 2. All right. So let's just do that here. Yeah. So now we will remove logs. And as per the rule, it will go something like this. 5 plus minus 3 upon 2 is equal to x plus 1. So x is equal to 5 plus minus 3 upon 2 plus 1 minus 1. And thus x is equal to either 5, 3 upon 2 minus 1. In fact, both are the values of x, and x is equal to 5 minus 3 upon 2 minus 1. So let me just solve it because we need to express it in this form. Okay, so if you just uh, simply solve it, this will be x is equal to 5, 3 under root minus 1, and x is equal to under root 5 power 3 gives us 5 under root 5 minus 1. And this can be written as minus 1 plus under root 1 upon 5 power 3, which gives us x is equal to minus 1 plus 1 upon 25 under root 5. And one more thing, since the question requires us to give the answer in this form, we'll also leave this one in the same form. So that would be minus 1 plus 5 under root 5 and this. So that's it. That's our answer.